Social Security, the bedrock of retirement for millions of Americans, has undergone significant changes in 2025. These changes have left many beneficiaries feeling uncertain and concerned about their financial well-being. Among the most impactful are the new 10% rules that govern overpayment recoupment and debt garnishment. These rules, along with adjustments to cost of living allowances, work credit requirements, and payroll taxes, have reshaped the Social Security landscape, leaving many to wonder about their implications. This essay aims to unpack these changes, providing clarity and context for those navigating the evolving world of Social Security. From the controversial involvement of Elon Musk's Doge to the financial implications for everyday Americans, we'll delve into the details of these new regulations and their potential long-term effects. Understanding these changes is not just about deciphering complex regulations, it's about empowering beneficiaries to make informed decisions about their financial future. With a clearer understanding of the rules and their implications, individuals can better plan for retirement and ensure their financial security. As we navigate these uncharted waters, it's crucial to remember that Social Security remains a vital lifeline for millions. By staying informed and engaged, we can work towards a system that continues to provide for generations to come. One of the most significant changes to Social Security in 2025 is the new 10% rule for overpayment recoupment. This rule, effective March 27, 2025, allows the Social Security Administration, or SSA, to withhold 100% of a beneficiary's monthly check until the overpayment is fully repaid. This represents a significant departure from the previous 10% withholding limit, which many considered more manageable for beneficiaries facing financial hardship. The rationale behind this change is rooted in fiscal responsibility. The SSA estimates that it will recoup an estimated $7 billion over the next decade by implementing this new rule. This, they argue, is essential for ensuring the long-term solvency of the Social Security program. However, this new rule has sparked controversy and concern among beneficiaries and advocacy groups. Critics argue that the 100% withholding policy places an undue burden on vulnerable individuals and families who rely on Social Security for their basic needs. They fear that this aggressive approach to recoupment could lead to increased financial hardship, forcing some beneficiaries into difficult choices between paying for essentials like food and housing or repaying their overpayment debts. The debate over the 10% overpayment recoupment rule highlights the tension between ensuring the financial stability of Social Security and protecting the well-being of beneficiaries. Balancing these competing priorities will require careful consideration and a nuanced approach that addresses the concerns of all stakeholders. The 10% overpayment recoupment rule applies to beneficiaries receiving retirement, survivors, and disability benefits. This means that a significant portion of the Social Security recipient population could be impacted by this new regulation. It's important to note, however, that the rule does not apply to those receiving Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, a program designed for individuals with limited income and resources. For those subject to the new rule, the financial implications can be significant. The sudden loss of an entire monthly benefit check can be devastating for individuals and families living paycheck to paycheck. This is particularly concerning for those with fixed incomes, limited savings, and those already struggling to make ends meet. Beneficiaries with existing repayment plans established before March 2024 will remain under the old 10% withholding limit. This provides some relief for those already navigating the process of repaying overpayments. However, it also creates a two-tiered system, with those who received overpayments after March 2024 facing potentially harsher consequences. The implementation of this new rule underscores the importance of understanding one's Social Security benefits and ensuring accuracy in reporting any changes in circumstances that could affect payment amounts. Seeking assistance from SSA representatives or qualified financial advisors can help individuals navigate the complexities of the system and avoid potential overpayments. Adding another layer of complexity to the Social Security landscape is the second 10% rule, which came into effect in January 2025. This rule pertains to the garnishment of Social Security benefits for outstanding debts owed to federal agencies. Unlike the overpayment rule, this one limits the amount that can be withheld from a beneficiary's check to 10%. Debts subject to this garnishment rule include unpaid federal taxes, student loans in default, and other federal obligations. This means that individuals with outstanding debts to these entities could see a portion of their Social Security benefits withheld to satisfy these obligations. While the 10% limit on garnishment provides some protection for beneficiaries, it's essential to understand the potential impact on one's monthly income. For those already struggling to manage their finances, even a 10% reduction in benefits can exacerbate existing financial strain. It's crucial for beneficiaries to be aware of their rights and options when it comes to debt garnishment. Negotiating repayment plans, exploring loan forgiveness programs, and seeking guidance from financial counselors can help individuals manage their debts and minimize the impact on their Social Security benefits. As we look forward, it's important to consider how the new 10% rule might impact future retirees. With the potential for Social Security benefits to be garnished for federal debts, planning ahead becomes more crucial than ever. Future retirees should start by reviewing their financial obligations, particularly any federal debts they might have. Understanding the scope of these debts and the possibility of garnishment can help individuals make informed decisions about their financial planning. One proactive step is to address outstanding federal debts well before retirement. Paying off or reducing these debts can lessen the likelihood of garnishment and the resulting reduction in Social Security benefits. Exploring options like income-driven repayment plans for federal student loans or setting up payment plans for unpaid federal taxes can be beneficial. Additionally, future retirees should consider building a robust emergency fund. Having a financial cushion can help mitigate the impact of any unexpected reductions in benefits due to garnishment. This fund can provide a safety net, ensuring that retirees can cover essential expenses, even if their Social Security checks are smaller than anticipated. Lastly, seeking advice from financial planners or counselors who specialize in retirement planning can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to individual circumstances. These professionals can help future retirees navigate the complexities of the new 10% rule and develop a comprehensive plan to secure their financial future. By taking these steps, future retirees can better prepare for the potential impacts of the new 10% rule and ensure a more stable and secure retirement. To fully grasp the implications of the new 10% rule, it's essential to explore the historical context of Social Security changes. Social Security has undergone numerous reforms since its inception in 1935, each aimed at addressing the evolving economic landscape and the needs of the American populace. In the 1980s, significant amendments were made to ensure the program's solvency, including the gradual increase in the retirement age and the taxation of benefits for higher-income recipients. These changes were designed to extend the life of the Social Security Trust Fund and adapt to the increasing life expectancy of beneficiaries. Fast forward to the early 2000s when the Senior Citizens Freedom to Work Act of 2000 eliminated the earnings test for those who had reached full retirement age, allowing them to work without a reduction in benefits. The new 10% rule represents the latest evolution in this ongoing process of adaptation. Unlike past reforms focused primarily on benefit eligibility and distribution, this rule addresses the intersection of federal debt obligations and Social Security benefits. Understanding these historical shifts helps put the new 10% rule into perspective. It underscores the necessity for proactive financial management and the importance of staying informed about policy changes that could affect retirement security. By learning from the past, future retirees can better navigate the complexities of the present and plan for a more secure future.